Hi guys, guess what I just got? I'm very, very excited. This is my first ever Charlotte Tilbury purchase. I got a few goodies. I'm not quite sure what I got because one of them are one of those little mystery boxes. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, just stick around and we'll find out together.
2 hours later.
Okay, so here's what I ordered. I ordered one of these Charlotte's mini viral beauty icons. It has the mini Pillow Talk lip cheat, the Pillow Talk matte revolution lipstick, and the airbrush flawless setting spray. Almost had it. And then I ordered the Charlotte's Beauty Treats mystery box pretty pink. Just want to get this open. Oh, it's a pretty box. I'm definitely going to be reusing this one. Oh, it has a magnet clamp. No, I don't have any idea what's inside of this because I didn't watch any videos on it. I wanted to surprise myself, so let's see. Ooh. We have Charlotte's Magic Water Cream. Long-lasting hydration, fresh dewy glow. Excited about this. It's, how big is it? Oh, there, 15 mils. It's cute. It has the little ornament tag so you can hang it on a tree if you want to. Then we have Hyaluronic and Happy Kiss Color Balm. So this would be a pink lip balm. Enchanting Kiss. It has some stipples there. I assume that's to open it. Ah. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, let's see. It's a pop-off cap. Ooh. Do I keep turning it? Yeah. Comes out slowly. Oh, that's such a pretty color. Ooh. That's gorgeous. I'm excited about this. Okay, my mic's giving me issues, so I'm using a different mic now. I hope the audio sounds okay. But the next item is the Legendary Lashes Volume 2. It's an 8 milliliter container. It also has one of those little stipple thingies. And the color is black vinyl. Ooh. That's what the brush looks like. Looks like a nice brush. The next item is sort of covered in bubble wrap. Okay, and the last item in this box is the Blush and Glow Glide Palette. It has 24-month shelf life and a total of 7.5 grams. There's the colors. Ooh, it's a pretty container. Ooh. Oh, this is pretty. So let's just swatch them quick. Oh, that's such a pretty colorful blush. Oh, look at this highlight. Oh, I like that. Let's swatch it here. So there's the blush. Oh, that's gorgeous. And there's the highlight. Oh, it's so soft, so silky. Oh, I love these colors. That's perfect for me. So that's it for this box. I'll put the price somewhere. I can't remember what I paid for it, but I do think it's value for money. You get a lot more than you pay for. So I just want to open this one quick and swatch these two lip products. It has the lip pencil, the lipstick, and the highlighter blush, and the setting spray. I missed one of those there. So there's the lip cheat pencil. There's the color. Let's swatch it on my arm. Come focus. Oh, it's so soft. It broke off. Okay, there's the color. I think the point is just the pressure was too much. Oh, okay. Once you get some of the outer layer off, it comes through a lot smoother and a lot more pigmented. And the lipstick. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, let's swatch it next to that. Oh, come on, focus. Oh, that's a gorgeous pinky nude color. So I think the color is Pillow Talk, yes. So then we have the Pink Gasm Beauty Light Wand Highlight Blush Combo. Doesn't show the color name on the package. It has a little spongy applicator, so you have to put some pressure. It has an on-off switch, so you have to twist it open to on. It's weird. How do I twist it now? I twist it to the other side. Let's go here again. Oh. Oh, that's gorgeous. And the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, it's supposed to really make your makeup last. So, ooh, I like the mister. Ooh, that's nice. It's got a nice fine misting spray. So let's let that dry down a bit. While I'm waiting for that to dry down, I just want to show you what I got for free. So I got a Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer sample, a Magic Cream Water Cream, same as the other one, sample. Then I got an Exaggerated Mascara sample, volume mascara, Exaggerated Eyes. It's different from the other one. And a cute little Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer, 7ml. And because I purchased it close to my birthday, I got the Charlotte Magic Cream in a 15ml also for free with the point system. Okay, I just want to see how easily. Okay, they don't smudge that badly. I feel the setting spray is a little wet still, but that's cool. There it still blends out a bit because it's a bit wet. But yeah, that's everything I got. I'm super excited to start playing with it. I'll put the prices of everything that I purchased in the description box and maybe on the screen at the point of opening it. But overall, I'm very, very happy with what I received. I love the colors of the products that I received. I think this blush color and highlighter color is gorgeous. I think these colors are gorgeous. And I like the lip balm color as well. I mean, they're all things I really would love to wear. I'll see how the mascara wears. I didn't open this one. I want to see what the brush looks like. So there's what the brush looks like on this one. It's a bit angled, so you can get a bit more of a curl. So I'm very, very excited. I'm going to have so much fun playing with these things. Let me know what you think about the box. I think the surprise items are very nice. And let me know what you think about the video. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!